Morning children, in this module we are going to discuss the structure of kidney. Pay attention and you will understand it better. The external appearance of the kidney is dark red and bean shaped. They look very similar to red kidney beans. The concave section is known as the hilum. This is where the renal artery, renal vein and the ureter enter or exit the kidney. Each kidney is enclosed in a semi-transparent membrane called the capsule. Now we have the fourth point. The internal structure of the kidney is divided into two main areas, a light outer area called the renal cortex and a darker inner area called the renal medulla. The ureter is a long narrow duct that conveys urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Now see children, this is the excretory system of humans where you can see kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Now in detail we are going to study about each of these organs. The human excretory system organs include a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures located on either side of the backbone and are protected by the ribs and muscles of the back. Each human adult, the kidney have an inner concave structure. At the center, there is a notch called hilum through which the blood vessels and nerves enter the organ. Towards the inner surface of the hilum, there is a large funnel-shaped space called renal pelvis with projections called calyces. The structure of the kidney is explained below. Capsule. The outer layer is called the capsule. Inside the kidney there are two zones. The outer zone is the cortex and the inner zone is the medulla. The cortex extends in between the medullary pyramid as renal columns called columns of Bertin. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidney. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubule. Glomerulus consists of a bunch of capillaries formed by efferent arteriole. Now next we have the renal tubule starts with a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule and this encloses the glomerulus. The Malpighian body consists of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The highly coiled structure in the tubule next to the Bowman's capsule is the proximal convoluted tubule. Now the more about the structure you can read it in the book itself children. Ureter, a thin muscular tube called the ureter comes out of each kidney extending from the renal pelvis. It carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure that stores urine until micturition. Micturition is the expulsion of urine from the body. The urine is carried to the bladder through the ureters. Urethra. This tube arises from the urinary bladder and helps to expel